This is Kush, a Michelin-star trained chef, and today we are challenging him to see what you can do with this delicious selection of Starbucks that I've bought for you. Your aim is to make it into something completely different. We tried to get a good selection from the entire menu to see what you could do. What are you thinking?
Well, definitely there's sweet and savoury.
Okay.
So that's a dilemma.
Yeah.
So I think we'll go in two directions.
Oh, okay, 2-course meal.
No, just two directions.
Okay.
Don't bring the word meat
Okay.
into it. So what have we got? Bacon bap, sausage bap, brownies?
A sweet brownie treat.
Sweet brownie treat, toasties, a croissant with
ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. Exciting.
Ham and cheese egg bites. There's a theme here, isn't there?
And two types of coffee. A caramel frappuccino, mocha sauce, cold cream
And
foam.
a very strong one. That has about 8 or 9 shots in it.
Why?
Because we thought the flavour might be useful for you. And you have a small child at home, so wakey, wakey.
I'm going to get some ingredients.
Yeah.
And you're going to get your apron on.
Oh, you
Suit up. Where to start?
You've already pulled out some extra ingredients here to lift everything.
Yeah, so we've got some breakfast items, right?
Yep.
So I've added more eggs.
Yep.
Because we've got eggs, adding eggs. They've got cheese, let's add some more cheese. Right, I would like you to saturate the gelatin.
That I can do.
Once that's fully soft,
Yep.
we're going to whip that into, let's call it a mocha tiramisu panna cotta base.
Okay, cool.
What would you put into it out of all these ingredients?
I'd put some cream, whip some cream up, frappuccino,
Frappuccino, yep.
coffee.
Yep.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, brownie.
Brownie
Nutty
plus,
brownie.
But what's the cookie base?
Sure.
Yeah. Coffee.
Yep.
I don't think we need the cream.
Yet,
Because
okay.
that's got whipped cream in it.
It has.
Yeah. Oh, that is creamy. We're going to blend that.
Okay. This yet, chef?
Yeah, go on. That's enough. Yeah. Right. Blend this.
Frothy.
Gelatin.
Yep.
We'll set it. So it would have been a bit bitty because of the nuts. So we're going to strain it through a sieve into a bowl. We'll taste it. We'll warm a little bit up to dissolve the gelatin.
Okay.
Whisk that back into the base, into the cold base, and pour it into some little kiln
Molds.
jars.
Okay, gotcha.
Right. While I do this, can you remove everything from all the bread items?
Remove everything. You mean the ham and cheese? The
Yeah, so
chocolate?
I want all the hams and cheeses.
Okay.
And all the bread separately.
Okay. That is just pure sugar.
Is it?
It's delicious. That'll work. Ooh.
That is sweet.
And it could do a lot more alcohol.
Some sherry cask fine brandy.
Yeah. Holy Kush. I see what you're doing.
So boil all the excess alcohol off it, add a bit to that, and then we'll melt the gelatin in the brandy, and then just set that and eat that. It would be delicious.
Thing is, as a technique, it's really simple, and people could do this at home with whatever they wanted. It shows how easy a panna cotta is.
Yeah, panna cotta is a set cream.
Yeah.
As I always say, say it with confidence, they'll believe you. That is liquid gelatin now. This will go.
That's going to set really quick.
Yeah, so we want to get this. Let's do a couple of kilners and a couple of different darioles, just in case. You fill them up,
Okay.
and I will start to think about what we're going to do with a lot of carbs.
Let me guess, chef. Blend it.
No, that would be easy. We'll soak it. We'll make a savoury bread and butter pudding. So
a cheesy bread and butter pudding.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. These look quite nice, don't they?
They
Already.
do. Lovely colour to them. Triple shot panna cottas.
Right, into that fridge.
Yep.
So while you do that, I'm going to make a custardy base. Creamy, eggy, cheesy, bit
Nice.
garlicky,
Nice.
milky base. We'll tear up the bread. We'll put it in that. And we'll start layering it into a frying pan.
So you get crispy bottom.
Crispy
on it
bottom.
as well.
Right.
Nice.
And then we'll put cheese in the middle of it and then put more bread on top.
Okay.
And then bake it in the oven.
Okay, nice.
Try and get a liquid centre.
Yeah.
Yeah? And then we'll use all this meat and make like bacon jam or something, because that's trendy. Double cream. Eggies. Microplane some garlic, peel the onion, open the bag of crisps. good. Nice, nice. That's it. Let's attack it with some decent Italian cheese. So, got
Scamorza!
smoked Scamorza. I know it's one of your favourites.
Yes!
I pulled it out of the fridge. We've always got this in the fridge because the shelf life is long. And some smoked provolone, which again,
yes, delicious.
should always have in the fridge for sandwiches. Oh, this is going to be like a hot baked sandwich.
Okay, yeah. So,
Like a massive,
cheese sandwich.
kind of crispy, gooey scented grilled cheese.
Nothing not to love about that.
And then you'll make, that is stunning onions.
Stunning, you hear that?
Barry Taylor, you've started to earn that apron. I'm proud, I really am. Yeah, really, really finely chopped on that bird's eye chili, that's hot. While that fries, we'll go in with a layer of smoked provolone.
Having done this a few times with like Taco Bell, KFC now,
Yeah.
does it cross your mind now what else you could do with takeaways?
I don't eat that many takeaways.
No.
Where I live, I think there are 2 decent takeaways, a
Right,
Lebanese
okay.
and a Chinese.
Right.
And the only reason we order those is I don't have a massive wok burner to make
Okay, cool. They
typical
can do.
food at home.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And I like all the picky bits of the Lebanese. I'm not doing that at home. Would I upscale a takeaway at home? Probably not. Upscale leftovers at home.
Yeah.
Like leftover Singapore noodles, a couple of eggs cracked
Yep.
into it, make
Yep.
a massive style for
Yep.
tartar.
Yeah.
Delicious. I'll get the chicken stock and the wine reducing while that's cooking. I've got all the cheese.
All the cheese, all the wine, all the bread.
Yeah. What's that? Burrata. Give me an egg.
What are you doing now?
I'm going to make a bit more custard using
Using
burrata water.
burrata water? No, that's the bit you throw away.
Don't. It's really trendy to drink it nowadays.
No, it's not.
People drink it on
No, they
videos.
don't.
I think to anger Italians. But so that's.
What about the burrata?
Oh, we'll whack it on at the end.
Okay. This is just.
Oh,
What?
I could do a layer of crisps.
Okay, right. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Seasoning.
So I'm gonna plug the holes with this. We can call this burrata bread. This is working quite nicely, Barry.
I did not expect this.
All right, that's gonna go into an oven preheated to whatever 235 degrees C for as long as we have. Hope that should set.
Okay. What about with our panna cotta? If we fried off some of our pain au chocolat in butter with some crispy, chocolatey croutons.
All right, you finely chop a pan au chocolat. You can call them like caramel.
Dry fry or
Dry
butter?
fry, there's enough
Yeah.
fat in there
Yep.
in the pastry. We're working in harmony. Thank you. Get a bit of heat into the base. Yeah. So sweet heat. So leopard pepper.
I've noticed some psycho juice here.
And for balance,
How are you going to balance psycho juice?
don't know, it's a challenge. We'll go a bit of brandy through this as well, just to deglaze.
Do you want this sliced up?
Yes! Really finely, please. Butter for what? I'll whack that in there. Yeah, lovely. Thanks, forgot about that. Wine in, that's reduced down nicely. Let's go sugar in, chicken stock in, and psycho juice.
Careful, you psycho.
1 drop's all you need. That'll bring a lovely warmth and depth to it. Right, that's toasty. Let's get some sugar in there now and start to caramelise it around the pan au chocolat. So are you envisaging like crispy, crunchy nuggets
Either for the panna cotta to sit on or on top.
on top? I think these might end up looking like brown sugar cubes. That'd be quite nice to go with
Yeah,
coffee.
nice.
So have you just been like acting before?
What do you mean?
Like you've been a little angel in this video.
I'm always like this,
Like
Kush.
you've prepped really well, your knife skills have been elevated somehow.
Yeah, it's not that at all.
Right. They hopefully will crisp up a bit.
Nice.
So this is going to be
That's going to be so rich.
so rich. We'll call it ham jam.
Ham jam.
Ham jam.
That looks really thick. It feels like you should stop cooking. Oh my god.
Well, I want the texture of like
Yeah.
almost jam.
What?
Okay, how should we add more?
Fruit would be jam, wouldn't it? Mango chutney.
Mango chutney?
Yeah.
All right.
Love leather.
Mango sausage jam.
Yeah, nice. That's my thing at home. I had mango chutney to everything.
You had mango chutney to everything?
Mango chutney and lime pickle to everything.
It's a wobbling.
Oh,
And it looks like it's set.
mate, if this works. Oh, crispy. You wanted it brown.
I did.
You got it brown.
Yes. Ah, that's because it was pre-caramelised
Oh, yeah, it's
cheese.
pre-browned.
Oh, wait a minute. Get your mics in. And it's still liquidy scented.
Let's do it. 1/4.
What if?
What are you doing? What are you thinking? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Okay.
And then this, just around the outside, Then you cut into the whole thing.
Round the outside, round the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bit of a...
Okay. Yes.
That's it. That's
Okay.
mad.
That's it. That's mad. It's mad.
mad.
It's
That's done.
That's Kush. That's mad. This is Kush.
Oh, we've still got dessert to do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
These are set, and this wouldn't be a Kush video without your not so little friend. That
Very
is
soft.
just a little lick of flame.
Yeah. And then invert it where you want to set it. Invert it, yeah, off to the side. Yeah. Right, and leave it there. Now I'll show you how I do it.
Okay.
Pretty much the same.
Yeah.
And then the third way is we're just going to put it straight down.
Okay.
And then I was going to...
Ah, that makes more sense.
Wait. Oh,
Oozy.
self-saucing.
Oh, they're like little fondants. Okay, not what I expected, but I love it.
Yeah. Delicate, Barry. Do not ruin it now. I must say, Barry, you've done an excellent job today.
Thank you, chef.
And you've managed to turn a Starbucks into this.
Don't give me that. Should we put these in the sexies,
Yeah.
then cut it,
Yeah.
and then sexy again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it. It's going to be filth, absolute filth.
I think I might go half. Half and slide.
Okay, go half a slide.
Yeah.
Commit to it.
Ooh, that lovely tender burrata.
Come on, just get on with it. Stop teasing it.
Oh, it's crunchy on the outside.
Wait. Oh! Oozy, cheesy, filthy. Yes.
Oh yes, we've got the liquid centre. Look at that.
It's falling. Get it on a plate.
How?
I don't know.
Barry.
Again, just go again. Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yes.
Oh, look at... Oh, wait.
Pull it. Up.
I'm trying.
Oh.
Barry! That would have been... That would have got there.
It's worth it. Yeah. Oh, I got a bit of the jam as well. In terms of like ratios as well, I was worried we weren't going to have enough of the meaty jam on top. But it packs a hell of a punch. It's spicy, it's meaty, it's so rich because of the wine as well.
It's like a bit like a croque monsieur, where it's got the bechamel in the middle, but we've got the custard through the bread, which gives it the soak. But then you've got this lovely fountain of smoked cheese in the centre.
But when you think about it, most of the savoury dishes here were ham and cheese based with bread on the outside.
That's what we've done.
Exactly the same.
Yeah.
Just unbelievable. Stormy.
They're quite firm, I'm
Yeah.
gonna say that. I would have preferred a bit more of a wobble,
But
but then we didn't weigh anything.
But I like the sheen that they have.
Well, they've got a lovely mirror finish to them. And I think for textures,
Yeah.
that is too firm for a panna cotta.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, you want a wobble. But these, on the other hand, are so crunchy.
Ooh.
That is from strong coffee. I'd say it's a very firm panna cotta, but on a hot day outside, it does have a wobble.
Absolutely smashed that. We are very proud of ourselves.
We are very
as
proud
you
of
can tell. Let us know what you think we should have done and what takeaway dish we should be dismantling and putting back together in another episode.
Can we please do a burger?